Okay, well that ruined nature. What's up, guys? Let's watch Clazerbeam here. Anyway, Orphis here. I know it's been a while since the Barricade Brothers have uploaded any videos. We got pretty lazy. I think that's pretty much the only excuse we got. You didn't go to jail, did you? Neither did I. Not this time. And so we were actually talking in the past couple days. We're going to start recording more videos and try to get those uploaded.
Fucking lost my disc again.
It's unusual.
Oh, there it is.
Me and Clay are disking right now. It's actually pretty nice out. It's a little chilly, and the sun's not out, but it's still nice. I don't even know where, there it is. So we're gonna start recording tonight. Me and Clazerbeam are gonna play for sure that I know of. Pete Skeet possibly, but yeah, I'm gonna start doing vlogs again. Try to get one up every day, and then once we start rolling back into this, hopefully we can get videos up every day, or at least every couple days, and not every 6-7 months. So let's see. I want to know from you guys if there's any games you want us to play, you want to see us play, or recommend to us or anything like that. Just comment below. I don't know. Is there anything else to talk about?
Ooh, we could do some on the Rift.
Yeah, the Rift would be good. You guys want to see that? Look at all these people. It's like a party going on over there.
There's a party last time we came here too.
Yeah, with all the there were inflatables before. Inflatables, bouncy house. Wish they had a bouncy house. I go bounce on a bouncy house. So anyway, that's pretty much where we're at. I don't know what did you guys do today? How was your day? What have you guys been doing for the past 7 months? You haven't seen us at all. Nothing? That's exactly what we've been doing. Nothing.
We've been barricaded.
We've been barricaded. I got a new job, so that took up some time, but not enough time to not make some videos. So anyway, sorry we haven't got anything up. We're gonna start doing that, and I'll have this video up tonight, and hopefully we'll get a video up within the next couple days. But until tomorrow, when I upload a new vlog, I will see you guys out there. This is Orphis and Clazerbeam signing off from the Barricade Brothers. Later.